Welcome back to the channel, the home of luxury car reviews, premium auto updates, and the latest first looks from around the world. If you love cars that blend style, technology, and performance, you're in the right place. Today, we bring you the very first look at the all-new Hyundai Tucson 2026, a brand new car that's making waves for its futuristic design, premium details, and next-level presence. This isn't just an SUV, it's a luxury statement. So let's take you on a full 360 tour of this stunning machine. From the front, the Tucson commands attention with its bold grille design and sharp headlights that merge seamlessly into the body. The black finish highlights its aggressive yet elegant personality, making it stand out in any showroom. At a 45-degree angle, the car reveals its aerodynamic flow lines and sculpted edges, giving it that premium, sporty stance. Inside the luxury showroom, banners light up the background, but the real focus stays on the car itself, sleek, premium, and ready to redefine expectations. Open the doors, and you're welcomed into a spacious, futuristic interior. From leather seats to advanced infotainment, everything screams comfort and class. Zooming in closer, the Hyundai logo shines proudly on the front grille, reminding us of the brand's evolution toward bold, modern luxury. The headlights and wheels deserve their own spotlight, sharp LED designs up front and stylish alloys that complete the Tucson's premium look. From the side profile, the Tucson presents a flawless balance between elegance and power, while on the road, its presence is impossible to ignore. Step inside, and you're greeted by a luxurious cockpit with a digital dashboard, smart connectivity, and refined materials. Even in busy city streets, this SUV keeps the spotlight firmly on itself. Taking it outdoors, the Tucson looks equally premium parked in front of Hyundai's HQ, banners waving proudly behind it, clear skies reflecting on its glossy black surface. From every angle, front, side, or interior, the 2026 Tucson is built to impress. And that wraps up our first look review of the all-new Hyundai Tucson 2026. A car that's more than just transportation, it's an experience of luxury, power, and future-forward design. Thank you for watching this video. If you've craze for upcoming cars reviews, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And stay tuned for more premium car reviews, and until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.